Hello, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pasensya na po, ganito muna yung tawag dito. Pag-shuffle ng cards natin kasi hindi ko masyado magamit yung right arm ko po. Kasi masakit na naman, na overwork na naman yata. So, tignan natin kung ano ang kaganapan kay Virgo. Alright, so kuha tayo. Una mensahe ninyo, angelic protection, napakaganda naman ito. This is your guardian angels and Archangel Michael, no? Blue sapphire ang kulay niya. So, this is definitely Archangel Michael na pinoprotektahan ka, binabantayan ka, no? At always, no, Virgo, rest assured that lagi-lagi si Archangel Michael binabalot ka ng kanyang blue sapphire sword of light, no, para protektahan ka at to keep you safe, no, at all times. So, that's really beautiful. We have forgiveness and understanding. Napakalaki ng inyong puso, no, Virgo, kasi kahit may mga taong sila yung nakasakit ng inyong damdamin, sinisiraan ka or chinichismis ka or kahit ano pa man ang ginawa ng mga taong itong nakasama ng inyong damdamin, you know, you are willing to forgive. You still understand, no, those kind of people, kaya napakalaki ng inyong puso. Handa na kayong mag-move on sa buhay ninyo, kaya kayo ay magpapatawad, no? Compassion, you are definitely a very compassionate person. Napaka-maawain mo, no? Marami siguro mga tao din ang humihingi ng tulong sa'yo in any form. At lagi kayong nagbibigay, lagi kayong bukas palad nagbibigay kasi you are such a very compassionate person. At ngayon, muli, no, maaaring meron na namang lalapit sa inyo at hihingi ng tulong. At again, ano, magiging bukas na naman ang inyong palad, bukas na naman ang inyong sarili para tumulong sa taong ito. Intuition and downloads, maraming intuitive messages, a vision siguro din ang pinapadala sa inyo ng universe to help you, no, to guide you kung ano ang dapat ninyong gawin, and to guide you on how you're going to navigate your current circumstances. So, good luck to that, Virgo. We have trust the universe. Ayan. So, magtiwala kayo sa Panginoon. Okay? Magtiwala kayo sa divine universe. Kasi, lahat naman nang nangyayari sa buhay natin is in divine order and timing. And everything, no? Even if it doesn't seem right at first, kahit hindi mukhang maganda ang sitwasyon natin, but at the end of the day, everything that happens sa buhay natin is for our highest good. Kaya, magtiwala lang kayo. Okay? We have friendship and union. Ayan, merong mga reunion siguro dito, pagtitipon ng mga tao, kaibigan, kapamilya, yung mga ganon. At merong kasiyahan na maaaring maganap, no? For others of you, maybe may mga meeting kayo with your friends, maaaring meron kayong mga reunion with friends, maaaring meron din kayong mga encounters sa ngayon with some of your kaibigan at maaaring, you know, mag-ano lang kayo, magkita-kita, magchika-chika over coffee, yung mga ganon ba. And maybe, time din ito na makakilala kayo ng mga bagong kaibigan, or maybe you are going to make new friends then at this time. Take charge and action. Ayan. So, siguro in the past, you're procrastinating about something, no? Kahit ano pa yan, ano, na siguro pinaplano ninyo pero hindi ninyo ginagawa, hindi naman kayo nagte-take action kasi maaaring nagda-doubt kayo or siguro kulang pa ang resources ninyo or for whatever reason, no, hindi kayo nagte-take action. Pero ngayon, ito yung panawagan sa'yo. Take action and take charge of that situation kasi maaaring handa na, no, ang lahat ng kakailanganin nyo dito, nakahanda na yan. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay ninyo, 'di ba? Mag-take action na kayo. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang kaganapan dito for Virgo. We have angel number 1144. There is divine intervention happening sa buhay ninyo, Virgo. Maaaring may mga pagbabagong magaganap dito na hindi ninyo inaasahan because it is the divine going to intervene in your circumstances, okay? Prosperity is coming your way. There are going to be big ventures then, fated events, talagang divine timing has come para sa ibang pangyayari sa buhay ninyo, alright? At saka, sabi dito, love or other happiness lurks just around the corner. It will be something better than in your wildest dreams. A rare opportunity, an exciting encounter with like-minded people will exceed your expectations. Napakaganda kasi parang ito yung mga taong ipapadala sa inyo ng universe on your path para suportahan ka, tulungan ka dito sa pagte-take action ninyo, no? We have angel number 444 at saka 222. Ayan, so there may be obstacles and hardships na na-experience ang iba sa inyo dito, but you are going to, you're going to overcome that, no? There might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. You got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better. So hang in there, okay? Kapit lang, laban lang, alright? Sabi din dito, angel number 2222, prosperity. Wow. So, dalawang prosperity energy ang meron kayo. Sabi dito, you can do everything by yourself, but life is to be shared. Kaya siguro, meron tayong mga collaboration na maaring mangyari, merong mga friendship and union dito na magaganap because of that. So, partner up with the right spirit and you'll become a force. Honor commitments and people around. Don't judge, just listen. So, good luck, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.